Growing up in our village, dreams did not amount to much. I worked, I married, I had a son. And from that day, I promised things would be different. For my son, there were lessons to learn about right from wrong, about winning and losing. For him, I wish the world a chance to be somebody.
There is no energy greater than that which drives the human spirit. To achieve perfection, if only for a moment, and remembered forever. This December, the Asian Games tap the energies of Asian nations.
Dad, they want me to run in the Asian Games.
Not just to see who wins, but to discover the best in all of us. Caltex, partners with the Asian Games.